Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a streak counter in Notion. Now, you might be wondering why you would need a streak counter in Notion. Well, imagine having a sleek, personalized tool that not only helps you keep track of your habits, projects, or any other goals you want to maintain consistently, but also motivates you to keep going. A streak counter does just that. By visually showing your progress, it encourages you to maintain your momentum, whether you're trying to build a new habit, track your workout sessions, or ensure daily productivity. So, if you're ready to maximize your progress with style and efficiency, let's dive right in. The beauty of this process is in its simplicity. We'll be leveraging a fantastic free template available within Notion, which means you won't have to start from scratch. Creating something from the ground up can be time-consuming and sometimes a bit tricky. Instead, you can utilize expert design work to kickstart your streak counter journey. This template not only looks professional, but also functions seamlessly right from the get-go. And of course, if you wish to tailor it further, Notion offers plenty of customization options to make it truly yours. Let's get started with the process. First, open your Notion workspace. At the top left corner of your screen, there's a drop-down menu that contains a treasure trove of options. Click on this menu, and you'll find a More Options button. Think of this as peeking behind the curtain in Notion, giving you access to additional features and tools that aren't immediately visible. Spend a moment here to familiarize yourself, as this menu is a gateway to numerous exciting enhancements for your Notion experience. Once you've opened the More Options, proceed to select Browse Templates. This is where the real magic begins. Notion's template library is extensive and offers dozens of ready-made setups for a variety of workflows. Today, our focus is on finding a streak counter template. Simply type streak counter into the search bar. Notion will filter through the available choices to present you with streak counter templates. You may find templates designed for tracking general habits, fitness goals, learning streaks, and so on, depending on what suits your routine best. Take your time to browse through the available templates and don't rush. Look at the previews and consider the vibe of each template. Are you drawn to something minimal and clean, or do you prefer something more colorful and energetic? Think about how you want your streak counter to inspire and motivate you on a daily basis. Once you find a template that resonates with you, click Add to save it to your personal collection, much like saving a favorite dish from a menu. Once added, the template is instantly imported into your workspace, and now the real fun begins, customizing it to make it your own. You'll see fields where you can input your credentials, set up specific streak parameters, and creatively track your progress. For instance, you might track daily writing sessions, gym visits, or moments of mindfulness. Personalize it to suit your exact needs. Feel free to swap out icons, change colors, or even tweak the database layout to better fit your workflow. Notion is quite intuitive, so don't hesitate to experiment and see what works best for you. Remember, it's completely normal to refine and adjust things over time. As your needs evolve, so can your streak counter. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a professional streak counter in Notion in just a few steps. Now you're equipped to stay motivated and visually track your progress each day. If you encounter any confusing parts or want to explore additional customization tips, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. And if you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more Notion walkthroughs and productivity tips. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to create a streak counter in Notion. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe so you never miss an update.